I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select an action ClinchPad. Give here ClinchPad API token. So please visit ClinchPad API token. API. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. You can add actions by checking the box. Also, here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to your ClinchPad site, More, Contacts. Here you can see the data came successfully in ClinchPad. Thanks for watching.